Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The purpose of this presentation is to provide a comprehensive troubleshooting guide for DTC P0630, identified as VIN Not Programmed or Mismatch, specifically for the Honda Fit model years 2015 to 2020. This DTC signifies an issue where the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, lacks the vehicle identification number, VIN, information, or has a mismatch, preventing proper vehicle identification. Understanding this error is vital for effective diagnosis and repair. We'll delve into the components affected, possible causes of the issue, symptoms displayed by the vehicle, and a systematic approach to troubleshooting. By the end of this guide, you will have the tools necessary to resolve this DTC efficiently. DTC P0630 relates directly to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, not having access to the vehicle identification number, VIN, information necessary for the vehicle's operation. The PCM serves as the brain of the vehicle's engine management system, controlling functions such as fuel injection and ignition timing. The VIN itself is a unique identifier for your vehicle, crucial for various diagnostics, recalls, and warranty services. In most Honda Fits, the PCM is located near the firewall, typically in the engine compartment, facilitating close connection with the engine's electrical components. If the PCM does not possess the correct VIN, the vehicle may exhibit impaired functionality, leading to failure in starting or erratic driving behavior. A proper understanding of the PCM's location and role is fundamental for effective troubleshooting. Several factors can lead to the activation of DTC P0630. Primarily, the most common cause is the missing VIN in the PCM's programming. This can happen if the PCM has been replaced without correctly inputting the VIN. A VIN mismatch is another possible trigger. This occurs when the VIN stored in the PCM does not align with the actual vehicle VIN. Additionally, if the PCM has outdated software, it may not be able to properly recognize and display the VIN, leading to a malfunction. Understanding these possibilities helps technicians narrow down the root cause during diagnostics. Each of these scenarios can severely affect vehicle compliance with regulatory requirements and operational safety. Symptoms of DTC P0630 can significantly impact the vehicle's performance and driver experience. One of the most notable symptoms is the vehicle's failure to start, as the PCM may not correctly interface with other critical engine management systems. In cases where the vehicle does start, drivers may experience erratic engine performance, including rough idling or unexpected stalling. The check engine light will also illuminate, signaling the driver to consult a diagnostic tool for further analysis. These symptoms not only hinder the driver's usage of the vehicle, but can also pose safety risks if the engine performance becomes unreliable. Recognizing these symptoms early can facilitate timely intervention and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0630 involves turning the vehicle to the on position and checking the VIN using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool designed to provide comprehensive diagnostic information about Honda vehicles, allowing technicians to interface directly with the PCM. After initiating the checks, verify if the HDS displays the vehicle's VIN. If the VIN is correctly shown, the procedure moves to the next troubleshooting step. However, if the HDS does not display the correct VIN, further actions are necessary to input the missing or correct VIN data into the PCM. Proper execution of this step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the remaining troubleshooting process. In the second troubleshooting step, if the initial check with the HDS did not confirm the VIN, the correct VIN needs to be inputted into the PCM using the HDS. This step is crucial for reprogramming the PCM so that it recognizes the specific VIN for the vehicle. The HDS is equipped to facilitate this programming procedure, allowing technicians to overwrite incorrect data. After inputting the correct VIN, technicians should look for a confirmation message indicating that the programming is complete. If the HDS displays complete, the next troubleshooting step can be initiated. If not, further diagnostic procedures are required to ascertain the issue. This step emphasizes the importance of accuracy in VIN data for the vehicle's overall health. The third troubleshooting step involves checking for any additional pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. This is important because the presence of other DTCs can indicate underlying issues that may be interconnected with DTC P0630. By utilizing the HDS to scan for these codes, technicians can gain a comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's current diagnostic state. For example, if DTC P062F, indicating a PCM internal control module keep alive memory error, is found, it could mandate further examination of the PCM itself. Conversely, if no additional DTCs appear, the troubleshooting can proceed to the next step, focusing specifically on the P0630 code. Neglecting to check for additional codes could lead to further complications in the repair process. In the final troubleshooting step, technicians should clear the DTCs stored in the PCM using the HDS. This involves turning the vehicle to the off lock mode, allowing it to reset. After the reset, the vehicle should be turned back to the on position and paused for approximately 5 seconds. Following this, another diagnostic check should be performed using the HDS to see if the P0630 DTC reappears. If DTC P0630 is indicated again, further actions are necessary, including a potential PCM update or substitution with a known good unit. However, if no DTC comes back, it may suggest an intermittent failure, thus confirming that the system is functioning correctly at that moment. This step solidifies the importance of thorough testing, even after code clearance. After executing the troubleshooting steps and implementing any necessary repairs, a final verification is warranted to ensure the effectiveness of the intervention. Start by rechecking the DTC status using the HDS. This ensures no residual errors remain in the PCM. Next, confirm that all vehicle operations are functioning correctly according to the manufacturer's specifications. A test drive can also be invaluable, as this real-world assessment can expose any lingering issues that may not have been evident during stationary diagnostics. Through this process, technicians can certify that the original issue related to DTC P0630 has been successfully resolved, providing the owner with peace of mind and dependable vehicle performance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0630, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is essential. This includes regularly checking for and updating PCM software to ensure compatibility with the vehicle's operating requirements. Consistent monitoring of the DTC status through periodic diagnostics can identify emerging issues before they escalate into significant problems. In addition, regular vehicle inspections can help ensure that the PCM and other essential components are functioning correctly and efficiently. By taking these preventative measures, Honda Fit owners can significantly reduce the risk of running into issues like DTC P0630, maintaining both vehicle reliability and performance over time. In summary, understanding DTC P0630 is crucial for anyone involved in the maintenance and repair of the Honda Fit from 2015 to 2020. This diagnostic code highlights the importance of proper PCM programming and the vehicle's unique VIN registration. by following a systematic troubleshooting approach that includes VIN verification, reprogramming if necessary, and checking for additional DTCs, technicians will be equipped to effectively address this issue. Furthermore, committing to preventively maintaining the vehicle will enhance its reliability and operational efficiency, minimizing the risk of recurring problems. Keeping these key points in mind promotes not only a well-functioning vehicle, but also a safer and more satisfying driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!